Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to unsubscribe mails in Gmail. Let's access our Gmail email. Once you are there, hover your mouse over the email and click on the option Unsubscribe. Confirm this by clicking Unsubscribe. You will see that it baked successfully. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.